Welcome to Furniture Assembly Experts. Founded in 2009, we primarily specialise in the assembly and installation of furniture for residential and commercial customers, which means you buy the furniture and we come assemble them for you at your home or office. We also offer additional services such as fitness equipment assembly, TVs and picture wall mounting. On top of that, we can also help you move furniture around your home or office, load and unload your moving truck. Our team of professional technicians are ready to service you. Call us today on 240-705-2263 or visit our website at furnitureassemblyexperts.com.